Hi everybody, it's Kristen with Hasta Cielo y Mas, and I'm coming to you today, Sunday, the 10th maybe of June 2018, and I am here in Monterrey, Mexico. I am several days post plastic surgery with Dr. Francisco Sauceda. I had a breast reduction, which I'll tell you more about in a minute, and I had an arm lift. Things are going well. I was only in the hospital for a day, but once I got back to the hospital, got back to the hotel, I started experiencing some pretty severe constipation. I went through an entire big bottle of milk of magnesia in a day. I was just swigging that sucker. And finally, I made progress. And I've also done some smooth move teas. One thing I learned is you do not use milk of magnesia and stool softener together, and I was doing that too, so made a few errors, but I was told very kindly to get permission to make those decisions, and so yes, Dr. Sauceda, I will definitely check with you before I do those types of things in the future. Anyway, I was desperate. So that first night I wasn't sleeping well, and last night I did get some sleeping pills, and we are all now on sleeping pills. Just to help us sleep, be a little less restless. And that's been wonderful. I was real drowsy yesterday, didn't make a video. I may have made an Instagram video, I don't even remember. I was just really drowsy, really drowsy. Patty came yesterday and today. She is super amazing. She just is so kind and so gentle when she puts your garments on. You know, you just feel like you don't even have them on. They're just so perfectly fitted to your body. So that's gone well. Food's been good. We got tamales this morning for breakfast, and we brought a few back to our hotel room, so that was good. We did have an incident with Uber Eats yesterday where I accidentally ordered the food to the hospital instead of the hotel, so that food did not make it to us, and that was kind of a little bit irritating, but it's probably, to be honest with you, because I was drowsy. So just being honest. But I'm doing better today, a lot better, and I go home on Wednesday. So I'm excited to go home and see my family. It feels like it's been a long time because I had WSFA followed by my trip here, but the time has gone really quickly. So things are going well. That's about all. I'll tell you about my breast reduction. So, let me see if I can show you. So, my breasts, as I mentioned in my pre-op video on Joni's channel, Smile and Shrinkin', my breast hung down to the 35 centimeter mark. My nipples should have been at the 20 centimeter mark. They're now at the 20 centimeter mark. But by then deconstructing my breast and putting it all back together, that brought my breast up, and it gave me quite a bit of volume that I didn't have before because the volume was stretched such a long distance. So I do think that I'm going to end up at least a D cup, which I'm not disappointed by. I wanted to at least stay as C. I didn't want to end up at B, but I'm pretty content with what they look like. I do have some bruising, some tenderness throughout, but Patty says they look great. She took pictures for the doctor. The doctor's coming today too, but I'm thinking that they look really good for where I'm at. Then my arms look very good. You know, they're not the smallest arms in the world, but if you are reminded of my pictures before, I have incredible hang, and so I also have large forearms. And so he had to make them look shapely yet appropriate, you know, where the forearm matched the upper arm. So I'm happy. I'm very happy. I will be ecstatic when I'm drain-free and pain-free and able to go back to the pool, which is about 6 weeks in my case, if I heal correctly. So that's about it for now, guys. Ask any questions you might have in the bottom. Even if it's questions that I can't answer that you want me to ask Dr. Sauceda, I'm more than happy to try to do that. And just keep us all in your prayers. Amber's doing well, but she's also tired, not sleeping well, dealing with some discomfort that we're trying to manage, that they're trying to manage. And then I'm keeping Lucille up with my potty trips. And but anyway, we're doing the best we can under the circumstances. So keep us in your prayers, and know that we're thinking about y'all, even if we're not as active on our social medias as we would normally be or would like to be. We are just kind of sleepy and tired, but we're under doctor's orders to get our rest, and that's what we're doing. And it's getting hot out here, so I'm going to go upstairs to my room. I am poolside, but it's middle of the day and kind of hot, so I don't think I should stay down here very long. Okay, take care. God bless you from the heart of Mexico, and we'll be coming to you soon. Bye.